Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is May 11, 2015. What I'm going to show you now is one of my favorite trading techniques, and this is something that I will be teaching this Saturday in the InTheMoneyStocks methodology webinar. And what I do with this technique is I scope out stocks that give me a very, very good advantage of making money, and I also can find out where I'm wrong just in case I need to stop out, and the stop loss is always very, very small. So this here is a pattern I look at, and I call it an inside bar pattern. And if you look at the daily chart of, say, Wells Fargo right now, this pattern is setting up, but it's not on the daily chart. Sometimes you got to look over at the bigger time frame, and what you'll see here is that right here on the weekly chart, Wells Fargo had a huge decline sell-off day. The stock was as high as 56.29 that week and finished at 53.96. So you had like a $2 sell-off here that week, and now over the last several weeks you can see the stock has been moving up to that red bar high. Now if the stock cannot close above that high at 56.29, this creates actually a nice shorting opportunity, and that's something I like to look for all the time. Let me give you a couple of examples of some different stocks that we made money with. One is Wynn Resorts. If you take a look here at Wynn Resorts, you're going to see down here, traders will show you and tell you that we bought put options on this one, and Wynn Resorts had this big decline, and then what I noticed here was it was making a bearish pattern. Here was an options expiration week. The stock traded up toward the red bar high, but it never exceeded it on a closing basis, and that's the key. As long as that line right here does not get exceeded on a weekly chart close, it's still in play, and you can see how the stock broke down and continued to go a lot lower, and we actually made a ton of money on this trade. Also, I'll give you another one that we did recently, which was Yelp. And if you take a look at Yelp, it gave us the same exact pattern, and in fact the pattern is still in play for Yelp. But here Yelp had a big wide range red bar, sold off, and then look how it just chopped around. We bought put options right here on Yelp, and we watched the stock drop about 15%. It gave us 166% of a gain in the option. So just a tremendous move, and this pattern continues to pay off time and time again. I've been using this pattern for over 15 years with a high degree of success, and I think you could do it too as long as you learn all the rules. And that's something that I will be teaching in the In the Money Stocks methodology webinar coming up on this Saturday at 10 a.m. So if you're interested in that, come over to the website. That webinar is on May 16th. That is a Saturday morning, 10 a.m. I'm going to cover all the different setups. I also have many other setups that I will be showing you, but this is just one trade that I believe continues to make money if you know the rules of the setup. And again, the stop loss is very minimal. So again, if you want to learn this and you want to learn about 20 different other techniques that I'll be teaching during that class on Saturday, come on over, come to the In the Money Stocks Methodology Revealed webinar. You'll get everything that we do. You'll learn all of my secrets, all of my tricks of the trade, and you can always join one of our programs as well. Options Alert Program, Research Center, all of these programs open for you to come in and follow us on each and every trade that we do. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.